Chamaka, break this.
Mama, it's impossible.
One stick alone, easy to break. Many sticks together, no enemy can break you. That is family. Today you work like strangers. When one of us rises, we all rise. When one falls, we all fall. A man had 4 sons who always fought. They divided their father's farm, and all went hungry. The next year, they joined the land back together and fed the whole village. Divided, poor. United, rich.
Mara, I'm sorry, let me help you.
What one person cannot do, 10 people will do easily. That is unity.